About a year ago, after I got out of the Navy, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with myself. Spent a few months thinking about what to do with my future and what career I wanted to go with. And friends and family pointed out I loved cooking, and I was pretty good at cooking for them. So I decided to go into the culinary industry. I'm Armstrong from Fort Worth, Texas. I'm 24 years old, and I'm in the culinary school in Fort Worth. I love learning to cook. I love the education I'm getting, the people I'm around every day. It's like working with a team again. You come in, you do what we need to do, and we all just have a good experience together. I chose the culinary school of Fort Worth because after doing some research and looking around, the program seemed to fit the needs and wants that I wanted for myself and for my future career. Being taught professionally the basics and how everything's supposed to be done, how to hold a knife correctly, how to use that knife correctly to make sure everything is even and the same size, how to put a piece of chicken on the pan, getting to know how to do that properly, and just everything throughout the course, learning how to do it the right way. It's a really good experience, I think. It's nice to be actually learning the processes of making the food from scratch in the kitchen. I think the chef instructors are all very good. They are very professional. They do a really good job teaching and getting through the message that they need to get through. I would like to take the skills and knowledge I've learned, and I'd like to continue learning after school through experience in the industry. And I would like to eventually take the experience and knowledge and use it to travel around the world.